guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be playing some more Subnautica. And today, hopefully, is the day. I am going aboard the Aroura. Oh my god, I don't want to do this.
Passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency
But we're going to have to, so that way I can use my rebreather. So, last video, we basically just moved our base over to the mushroom biome, which I absolutely love the mushroom biome. I mean, dude, just look at this. And we have a bunch of salt here, so we can get some salted peepers. Wait, I didn't know peepers spawned here, and wholefish. Okay, hold on. If bladderfish spawn here, then it'll be as nice as this. Oh jeez, oh jeez. No parachute. Okay, then, dude, yeah, that's one thing about this place. Jelly bag. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of Cyclops hold fragments. Power transmitter, that'll actually be pretty good for us. Whoa. What's that? What is that? Some alien tech stuff? Alien vent. Ooh, spooky.
30 seconds.
I know. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, what's this? A time capsule? Well, okay, yeah.
Oxygen.
No! Ah! First time we died, dude. I think that's the first time. Or second. We're gonna respawn on our life pod, aren't we? Oh no, here. What do we lose? Oh, we didn't lose anything. Okay. Let's take our sea moth with us. Dude, I got distracted by the time capsule. Oh, was the time capsule here? It's near the alien vent. What's that? Oh, that's a modification station. Alright, let's turn right here. I killed like so many things with my sea moth. Now get out of the sea moth. I always do this. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Where is lithium? Dude, okay, we actually really need that. That's good. Yeah, we found that. Where was it? Oh, tree mushroom. Yeah, we'll scan that in here. What's this? Yes, dude!
New blueprint acquired.
I think that means we have the Cyclops now. Oh, time capsule. Oh, whoa, dude. What's this? Oh, okay. Poetry symbol. I'm actually glad we got that. Couldn't just unload that. I want to see. Do we have? Yeah, we have that.
30 seconds.
I know. See, I'll do it in a second. Okay, we don't. Okay, I just wanted to check if we had a thing where we could plant stuff. So, but now we have. No, we don't. Oh, I see now. We need to scan 3 different things for another additional. Okay, that's actually kind of confusing. But now it's getting to nighttime. Oh, dude, we'll find peepers over there because that's a stalker area. Oh, that's good. I know you can like destroy that or something. I don't know. Like, I thought there was gonna be bone sharks here. I think that might be at the other one though. What's that? I think that looks like a bone shark egg to me. Though. That's a bone shark egg, isn't it? That's what it looks like it is. Dude, but yeah, there's a bunch of peepers here. I don't know about bladderfish. But yeah, today, we actually need to type it. Today we're probably gonna go aboard the Aroura. Yeah, I guess. Oh, dude, we're right next to that biome? That biome, I can show you what it is, because I don't think there's anything bad in there. Is this what the Sea Treaders path is? Oh, what's that? Is that titanium? Yeah, dude. We might need to get that whenever we get, you know, so go. Okay, that's a warper. Okay. That's copper. No, oh wait, actually no, that's probably gold. Let's get this. Copper. More batteries for me. Wait a second, I didn't know. I did not know there were some acid mushrooms here. Okay. Oh, that thing has the cart. No. Yeah, I gotta repair this thing. That one had the car. No. I mean, I know I'm gonna get it anyways, but no. Oh, gee. Oh, wow, that did a lot of damage. Holy. Okay, come here. Let me heal you. There you go. That's better. Alright, I did not mean to do that. Once it becomes daytime, I guess we can go with the Aroura. I really don't want to do this, like I really don't. I gotta put some things in my locker. Although we can make this, can't we? Yeah, we can, yay. Alright, let's put some things in my locker, because, I ate it. That's great. That's the one, yeah, no battery, okay. We don't need our habitat builder. We are gonna need our scanner. That. Eh, we don't need that. I have a feeling we might need something else. Might need more water. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, 4 waters. Yikes, that might not be a lot. Although I think that's all we're gonna need. We definitely need the repair tool for sure, and have the power cell. Oh. Jeez, I'm not gonna like this. Alright, well, I guess we're just gonna wait till the The reason I'm not gonna like this is the Reapers, dude. The Reaper Leviathans. It's the only reason I'm not gonna like this. If Reaper Leviathans and Ghost Leviathans weren't in the game, I would gladly go. But guess what? They're in the game. So yay! Whoa! Well, should I go like right above my base and see how close I am? Yeah, let's do that. Oh, that guy has Karar, doesn't he? Oh no, you don't. You're fine. You can just. Well, let's see how close we are, dude. It's this way, isn't it? Okay. Okay, that's not that bad, but yeah, I don't like that. Alright, yeah, we should probably go get some more water while we're waiting for the, oh no. Is it becoming day already? Whoa! Hold on. Dude. Dude, whoa! You can just go to space in these things. Dude, honestly. You can just go to space in these. You don't need no rescue or no rocket ship to get us out of here. You can just go to space in these. Just me, and it's daytime. You know what? Let's go. Dude, I don't. If I see a Reaper Leviathan, I'm turning back, dude. Because I do not want this thing to destroy. I mean, yeah, sure, I can make another one, but it took me a while to make. Oh, God. Going near the thing you should never do. Wait, hold on. First I want to at least check. Okay, are we getting in their territory already? No, we're not. Okay, it's just, that's their territory right there. Okay. Let me check. Oh, dude. Wait, no, that's not what we need. We needed. Nope. Man, I was gonna say, if we have the moon pool, I'm gonna make that straight away, and then. Oh god, dude. I'm getting into their territory. I know I am. Oh! What was that? Swear I saw two. Oh, dude, you can see. Oh! Oh! That's a life pod! Oh, I think we know that life pod. Yeah, that was, Life pod 3, did it say? Life pod 4. Say life pod 4. Life pod 4. Yeah, so like we're right there. But what about the Reaper? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Get in. Okay. Creature decoy. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need that. Oh, first aid. Dude, I didn't even think about that. Oh god. Oh, dude, that's good.
Integrating new PDA data. Welcome aboard, Captain.
Normally they spawn around the back. So I should be fine to just go in, but alright, I'm going. That sound was not a refill of Leviathan, it was just the ship. I hope.
Life form readings in this region are sparse. The Aurora's radioactive fallout will have devastating effects on the alien ecosystem if not contained within the next 24 hours.
Wait, what? What does that mean? Oh, I got him. Hey, get here. Hey, get. I can fight you guys. Okay, no I can't. No I can't. God. Dude, you get die. Oh my god. God. Oh, God. Oh, we might need a laser cutter. Oh, we should have brought a fire extinguisher too. Okay, wow, we were not ready for this. All I want to do is get into the room with all the things and...
Warning, ship's structural integrity is low. Fire suppression equipment and laser cutters may be required. Exploration is conducted at your own risk.
Yeah, see... Siri, I just want to, you know, get rid of all the that one has core. That one has core. Get it away.
Caution. Scans show the digestive tracts of nearby life forms contain human tissues.
You can die. Whoa. Where the heck did you just go? Ow. Dude, just die. Dude. I hate it when it shakes like this. Where do I go now? Oh no. Oh, you're not gonna make me go across there. Oh god, dude. Oh, yeah. I'm about to die by eating a piece of pie. Okay. That's my beautiful singing. Yes, I know. I'm amazing at it. Yes, fire extinguisher. That's exactly what we need. Okay. Airlocks. Cargo bay or administration. I think you gotta go to the administration. Ow. Dude. I'm not even in fire. Dude, I'm not even in fire. What's this?
Integrating new PTA data.
Help, I'm stuck. Can I stand some things here? Swivel wheelchair. Drifting area. Desk. Ooh. Yay.
Print acquired.
What's this? New battery. Need that for that. Ooh, command chair. Oh, there's two of them. Command chair, and then there's... Oh, wait, no, that's the command chair.
New blueprint acquired.
Now, okay. Oh, wow, we are low. Turn this way. Oh, we should probably take a water, too. Alright, let's go. Oh, PDA. Propulsion cannon fragment.
Integrating new PTA data.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Aroura systems are running on local reserve power, unable to remotely download black box data.
So how do we get past here? You're not saying I got parkour. Okay, I actually did that. Yes, dude. Yes! Ooh.
Scans of damage to the Aroura do not match any known offensive technologies.
In there. Didn't we have something that said codes and cargo bay code 1454. Okay. 1 4 5 4. Oh. Okay. Jeez. What's in there? There. Mission log. Okay. Okay, that. Oh wow, it's smoking up a lot in here. Jeez. Oh, floods up. Yeah, we're probably gonna do that.
New blueprint acquired.
Water.
Preparing the day's water ration ahead of time will help ensure against dehydration and eventual death. Integrating new PDA data.
Alright, now we're good on water. And we're good on food, for sure. Anything here? Oh. Anything in here, anything there. What's in here? I think that's the car. No! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Dude, how do I get this thing off me? Oh my god, dude. I'm out. See my bed. There it's right. As long as those things don't attack me, I can get through this door. Oh, we're gonna need that, dude. You don't. Do we need titanium? Sure. Okay. How full is my inventory? Okay, it's not that full. VR, sweet.
Integrating new PDA data.
I'll read that later. Anything in here, dude? We already have everything? Alright. No, no, you get. Good thing they die with like one hit, but still. Drive room. Then what's this way? Prom day! No! Dude, I can get a prom suit though. That'd be so good. Get up, dude.
During collision, do not attempt repairing
There we go. Ow. Okay, we should probably take a. Yeah, we should probably take a. Yes, this is the part I wanted to get. Oh, okay.
New blueprint acquired. Warning: local radiation at maximum tolerable level. Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected. Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected.
I wanna get in. Oh wait, no, there's gonna be those things here. That's not cool. I think, right? Hi. Okay, recording time. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this video a little long for you guys. Oh wow. Oh jeez, that's a lot of them. Oh wow, okay.
Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected. Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected.
Oh wow, jeez, that's a lot. There's a lot going on this one. There's gonna be a thing that's about to attack me.
Containment breach repaired.
Right? No?
Breaches detected.
None of those things are about to attack me? Alright, can I... Thank you. Alright, yeah, I already there. Get off, dude. Yeah, go. Oh my god, I hate those guys. Nah, go. Thank you.
Containment breach repaired.
Oh my god, no! Dude, I killed you. Get. Dude, you're gonna make him die. I can't die on the Aroura, dude. I just can't. Dude, they're like all over here, dude. Alright. Did I finish this one repair thing? Okay. I think I finished that whole repair thing. Did I finish this whole repair thing? I don't think I did. Yeah, no, I did. Ready? Oh, okay, I made that. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Alright. Once we repair this, we just have to wait a few Subnautica days, and then we won't have to wear this radiation suit.
Further breaches detected.
Dude. Glad I can actually stay
Containment
breathing.
breach repaired. Further breaches detected.
What the heck was that noise? Sounded like someone jumping in the water. Are there other people here? Because I checked the Subnautica story and I don't think that's... I'm not sure that's how that works.
Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected.
I mean, in Subnautica Below Zero, I mean, yeah, there's...
Containment breach repaired. Further breaches detected.
Where's it? There it is. I think. Boom. I know, I'm smart, aren't I?
Breach sealed. Radiation levels decreasing.
Hallelujah, I saved the day. But we should probably put out this fire. All I need now is a laser cutter, dude. I get a laser cutter, I'm getting a pump suit. So now I can just use my rebreather, right? That'll be great. I mean, not like right now, because I mean... Oh, that's cool. So how do we get back up here? Oh, there. Save a little passing code. Alright, we're gonna like, maybe get out of the Aroura, get back home. I might cut it out, or just, you know, dive in at all. Alright, so, I was going aboard the Aroura. That was actually kind of fun. Although, very scary. And we got rid of the radiation. Now we can just do the rebreather. If I did this a long time ago, dude, I wouldn't have died in this episode at all. But yeah, no. I see what you're trying to do. I'm trying to end the video, and I won't be able to see my screen. So you're trying to attack me. No, 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 no. That's not how this works. I kill you, and you die, and you let me finish my recording. Get back here, you. No. Yeah, I probably should take a medkit. Plus 30, plus 20. Okay, disinfected water does actually more. Oh, plus 75? Holy. Alright. I'm gonna get back to base off cam, but yeah, I hoped you liked this episode. I'm scarred for life. It's just hope you like this episode, and guess I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.